Hi guys, it's Alima. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. Or if you're not, thank you for sticking around. So today's video is going to be a love it or leave it on the new Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipsticks. I bought, I think, 4 or 5 of them. And I'm going to swatch them and review them. I want to see my thoughts on this lipstick blind, and please keep watching. Alright, so I do in fact have 5 of the Fenty. I have 5 of the lipsticks. Well, I bought 4 of them, and then Sephora does in fact have one of the colors in the shade Griselda as a 100-point perk, so I have a little mini one. That is absolutely fantastic. So, yeah. It comes in this, it's almost like a chrome with a hint of pink, and it has the octagon. I don't even know if this is a second. It has that pentagonal octagonal type geometric shape that she's coming out with. It's really skinny, and I have not cleaned this up for a reason. This is the color I'm wearing today. It's called Shawty, because it does tend to get messy in the cap, which makes it messy on the actual tube of the lipstick, and that kind of goes hand in hand with the formula. Also, before we get into that, the way you twist it up matters, because if you twist it up from the top, it will spin inside the lipstick, inside the tube. So then this shape, this slanted shape, will not match up with the slanted shape of the lipstick. So it'll end up looking a little twisted, because it will go up and down, but this will twist around. So that's another thing to be mindful of. Also, I feel this is a plastic. I mean, most lipsticks come in plastic tubes, except for, like, you know, really high-end ones. But I feel like this is not the best quality plastic out there. But it retails for $18, which is not very expensive for a lipstick inside Sephora. So for the price, I'm willing to overlook how light the plastic feels. Now we're going into the formula. It is a matte lipstick. It is not drying by any means. It doesn't completely set, but it's very long lasting. So for me, these lipsticks do not fade or come off unless I eat or wipe it away. At times, though, I did notice with the first time I wore one of the colors, I think it was Freckle Fiesta, I got that inner line that's not so cute, because I was at work that day and I was doing a lot of talking. So that's it. Also, I forgot, on the lipstick it does say Fenty Beauty on the bottom part of the tube. So I'm gonna talk about the size, like a little bit more housekeeping, and then you guys will see the swatches at the end. So these are officially known as the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, and it comes with 1.7 grams, 0.06 ounces of product. Now if you compare that to a standard lipstick, compare it to a MAC lipstick, it comes with 3 grams of product, 0.1 US ounces. So this has less product than a MAC lipstick does, but it costs about the same, because a MAC lipstick is now $17.50. I remember the days when they were $15. A MAC lipstick is now $17.50, and these lipsticks retail for $18. So you don't get that much product in these, which can be not the best thing, because it's such a soft formula. You can go on, and it can get all over the tube, and you lose product that way. So even the Sephora Lip Stories lipsticks, I only have one of them. So one of these lipsticks, the new ones that Sephora came out with, it comes with 0.14 grams, 0.14 ounces, 4 grams. So these lipsticks I can't speak. So these lipsticks have more product than the Fenty ones, and they only cost $8. And then you have Maybelline lipsticks, L'Oreal lipsticks, Revlon lipsticks, list goes on. So you don't get a lot of product for your money. Yeah, this Bare Minerals lipstick is 3.5 grams, 0.12 ounces. This Makeup Forever tell me their sizes. 3.5 grams, 0.12 ounces. So it's around 3 to 4 is normally what you should. So NARS is 0.14 ounces, 4.2 grams. So you get a little bit more. And this one, then all of them it seems right now. Let's see, Urban Decay. Decay doesn't tell me, but yeah. Sorry for my voice. It's late. I had a shift at work already. Came home, chilled, ate dinner. So now it's like my body's like it's time to retire for the day. But I bought them. So I'm gonna start with Freckle Fiesta, which is the first one I bought. And this is one of the ones that aren't sitting in the tube properly. I don't know if you can see that. Let me bring it back to me because I don't have autofocus. But like, it looks kind of off in the tube. Like where it's supposed to be going down, the lipstick's still kind of up because I didn't realize I had to twist it properly. So I'm trying to fix that. So it's like a burnt orange. Reminds me of the lipstick Kathleen did with Ofra. Yes, this is Miami Fever. Yo, I never wear this lipstick though. But let's see. They're similar. Freckle Fiesta is just a bit darker. Is Shawty, the one I'm wearing, which just is brown with like a burnt to reddish undertone. It's really pretty. I get lots of compliments when I wear these two especially. Then I have Spanked, which is like this like almost like an everyday pink color. Then I have Clapback, which is blue. I haven't worn this actually outside yet. And then the last one is Griselda. This is the 100-point perk I got from work. So those are the colors. Because they're not normal lipsticks, they would have a hard time standing up unless you have a lipstick holder. So they're like really pretty to just have them lying down out on your vanity. I mean, if you have space for that. Yeah, so these are Love It For Me. I do like the formula. I like the colors. I'm hearing like conflicting things about whether or not this is permanent. The rep said no. But when we were getting training, like watching training videos at Sephora, they said it's a core, which means it should be permanent. So yeah, I don't really have a comment on that. I'm just letting you know, just in case. See, I can see it self point. Alright, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys are getting any of these lipsticks, or do you already have them? Which ones are your favorites? What are you on the lookout for next? Let me know if there's anything else you want me to review. And here are the swatches.